welcome to this channel again. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the size of your video. So once you inside our video in Capcut, so this is the filling steps. The first thing you're going to do is import your video. So let's import the video we want to change the size of. Click on import. Then you go to the video you want to change the size of. So let's say the video I want to change the size of is, let's say I want to change the size of this particular video. Import by clicking on open. And now the next thing I'm going to do, I fully drag it displaced to the timeline. Now once it is there, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to tap on the video in the timeline to open the editing screen. So this is the video. Capcut's a little slow today. Go for the, I got a lot of stuff running in the background. Anyway, this is the video. The next thing you do, you right click on it. And to open up this option, so click on edit. And then you go to crop ratio. So that is it. Now this is the crop ratio. Now the next thing you're going to do is to choose an aspect ratio. You have to select the desired ratio for your video. Now we have different options. Over here you see different options. We have the free, which allows you to do it yourself, customize the way you want it to be. So you can decide to make it like this. It's in free mode right now. This is for free mode. Or we can use the other option. Click on this. You have the 1-to-1 option. And this option is perfect for Instagram posts and social media profile pictures. Now, if your video is going to be for, let's say, you want to use 3x4, it means that the video is maybe so something else, something maybe like TikTok or any other social media. Then, but most importantly, the 4x3 is most commonly used for older TVs and some social media platforms. The 16:9 is very suitable for YouTube, widescreen TVs, and most social media platforms. I recommend the 16:9. But if you don't want to use that, you can also use the 9:16, and it is ideal for Instagram stories and TikTok videos. So once you've chosen the one you want, let's say I want to use the 4x3, then click on confirm. And now you can see we have black spots here. So you have to adjust the video. You can zoom in or zoom out. Let's say I want to zoom in, zoom out. Let's figure out how to do that. So we have the video over here. We have our scale. You can make it. Okay. All right. So I've done that. Increase my scale. The next thing. All right. So anyway, next thing I want to do is I click on this. Please to resize it. I might want to rotate it. Depends on you. Okay, let's not rotate it. It looks great without being rotated. So they show you the option if you want to do that. Now, you can move the video, drag the video within the frame to center it or position it as you desire. This is what I did. Look at it. You can drag it, position it the way you want, down, up, that kind of thing. Then the next thing, you can also add a background color or image to fill the empty space. So let's see. Empty space, should we fill you or should we just let it be? I don't like it the way it is. Let's leave it. The next thing you're going to do is once you're satisfied with everything, all the changes, tap on the export button to save your video. This is the export button. You tap on it to save your video. So you give it a name, should we want to export it to, click on export. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the size of your videos in Capcut to fit the different platforms and achieve the desired look. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. And please hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye for now.